It's not every day that I get excited for a video, but today in the home I got my hands on an exclusive laptop from Lenovo. This is their all new Gen ThinkPad X9 Aura Edition laptop. So this is not the first time we got our hands on an Aura Edition laptop. In the past we've also got our hands on Lenovo's Yoga Slim 7 series Aura Edition laptop. Now the first question you might get is, if you don't know, what exactly is this Aura Edition laptop, Vimal? So Lenovo has actually teamed up with Intel and co-engineered and specially designed this laptop, guys, to offer you like much improved performance, better efficiency, some brand new AI features and some exclusive Aura experiences. In the Aura experiences, you're getting some interesting features, guys, something called as Smart Mode, Smart Share and also Smart Care. Today in this video, we'll be talking about all of these brand new features and it's gonna be like very interesting, guys, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Keeping that aside, this brand new ThinkPad X9 laptop also packs like killer features on board, guys. First of all, you're getting like a ultra slim design. I'm gonna show you, unbox and show you, right? You'll be like pretty surprised. Pair that with a 14 inches 2.8K resolution OLED 120Hz display on board. Plus it is based on Intel's brand new Core Ultra Series 2 platform with an upgraded GPU and NPU that can offer up to like 48 tops of AI performance. I'm like very excited to talk about this laptop in this video, so let's get started. And before we do that, first of all, let me tell you, this video was made in collab with Lenovo and Microsoft. A big thank you to them. And by the way, in this video, any sort of testings or feedback that I'll be sharing, right, they're completely based on my opinion only, not influenced by anyone. So boys, our brand new Lenovo ThinkPad X9 laptop came in this sort of packaging. Very simple packaging, you just have the Lenovo branding. Now going to the side here, you got some details regarding the model and stuff. I've told you, right, this is the new Gen ThinkPad X9 14 Gen 1 variant and packs like very interesting features. We'll be talking about the specs and hardware once we get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, there you go. There's actually one more box on the inside and I believe the laptop came nicely packed inside this. Keeping that aside, you're also getting some accessories like a 65 watt USB-C power adapter included and a main cord for the charger. So these are all the items you got in the package. Let me actually give you a closer look at the laptop and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Okay, initial impressions I have to mention, guys, Lenovo's all new Gen ThinkPad X9 14 looks absolutely beautiful, guys. The laptop comes in the thunder gray finish and has a matte metallic sort of finish. Good thing is the top lid of the laptop doesn't seem to attract fingerprints as well. So less maintenance you'll have to do, definitely an added benefit. Very clean and minimal looking design is what I can say. On the top lid, right, there's nothing over here. You just have the Lenovo branding on the bottom right corner, mirror finish ThinkPad branding with an integrated red LED light, and to the top right here it says X9 14 inches. And are you people looking at the thickness of this laptop? It is super slim, right? I mean, check it out. You're getting an ultra slim design and entire body is made of like all metal, guys. Aluminum frame is what I'm talking about. Thickness of this laptop is from 0.28 inches to 0.68 inches only at its thickest part, and weight is also like pretty manageable. It roughly weighs around like 1.27 kgs. And if you ask about the build quality, don't be fooled by the looks. I know it looks pretty slim and delicate, but that is not the case over here. It is very well built. In fact, it is military standard 810H rated, guys, so quite durable is what I can say. Let me give you a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this model as well. Starting off from the left profile, here you're getting a full-sized HDMI port, a tiny battery charging indicator is also there, Type-C port that even supports Thunderbolt 4.0, and you see this tiny cutout over here, this one is your left facing speaker. There is nothing on the front profile. Going to the other side, here you got one more speaker. Basically you're getting stereo speaker setup up to 4 watts of audio output. One more USB Type-C port is also there and a 3.5mm audio jack. So that's it. These are all the connectivity ports. I felt the connectivity ports were slightly limited, guys. I wish it had at least one USB Type-A port for day-to-day functionality, but anyways you'll have to rely on some sort of external USB hub to extend the connectivity on this model. And here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. I mean, look at that. Okay, initial impressions, you might think that this is some sort of integrated speaker, right? But no, this is actually the laptop's cooling solution, guys. On board you're getting dual fan exhaust system. We'll definitely talk about the whole cooling solution and thermal performance at a later part in the video. Rubber foot pads on all the sides and that is pretty much it. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. Let me also quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors look like. And tada, our new Gen ThinkPad X9 14 in action. And just like the exteriors, here also you're getting the same thunder gray finish with black accents at the top panel. First of all, let me give you a closer look and talk about the upper half section. On board, the laptop comes with a 14 inches 2.8K resolution OLED display, that too with up to 120Hz high refresh rate, and best part is this is actually a touchscreen display. And look at the bezels as well. Bezels are very slim, not just on the sides and the top, but on the bottom profile as well. Going to the top here, you're actually getting a special webcam, guys. The new gen ThinkPad features an 8 megapixel high quality 4K IR webcam, and yes, it does support all Windows Hello login features. Not to miss out, privacy e-shutter is also included. Great for business sort of applications, professional sort of usage. So that was about the upper half section, and let me also give you a closer look at the lower half section and talk about the keyboard and touchpad. The ThinkPad X9 features a premium quality spill resistant white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of this keyboard is very nice. I mean, look at the keycap design over here. You're getting a slight curve on the keycaps and feels quite comfortable while typing. I've been using it for the last couple of days, right? I had a pleasant experience, guys. The keycap, key quality is also nice, offers like a tactile and clicky feedback, and as I've told you, brightness of this LED lighting is also like easily adjustable using the function buttons on the go. Not to miss out, since this is a Copilot plus AI PC, obviously you're getting a dedicated Copilot key integrated in the keyboard. Now coming to the touchpad is actually quite special over here. You're getting a new gen haptic enabled touchpad, guys, glass covered premium touchpad. Quality of the touchpad is also very nice, easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures and offers a premium sort of experience, guys. Love the gentle haptics it offers while using. Quality of the integrated buttons are also nice. So moving on, let's actually get to the main aspects of the laptop and talk about the display and built-in speakers performance. So first of all, let me tell you, our particular variant of the ThinkPad features a 14 inches 2.8K resolution OLED display, that too with a really high refresh rate of up to 120Hz, guys. And not to miss out, this is actually a touchscreen display, and I've been using this laptop for the last couple of days, and I have to mention, guys, Lenovo has not compromised in the display section, guys. Absolutely beautiful looking OLED display. You're getting great amount of detail, obviously 2.8K resolution at 14 inches, that too in a 16:10 aspect ratio. There is nothing less you can expect over here. Crisp and clear detail, everything looks like sharp, guys. All the text is easily readable no matter what sort of content you're watching. Contrast ratio, black levels are also great. Obviously this is an OLED panel, guys. You're getting like near to infinite contrast ratio and deep black levels, so there's no question about asking only. And coming to colors are also like really good, guys. It's an OLED panel, right? Obviously you're gonna get like up to like 100% DCI P3 color gamut range, and the colors will like pop in on this panel, guys. Look at the RGB values over here, very nice. So not just for like entertainment or casual business sort of applications, even if you want to use this laptop for a bit of creativity, productive needs, right, this display has got you covered. Brightness of the panel is also nice, can easily go up to like 450-500 nits. Had no issues using it on a day-to-day sort of usage. On the overall, I'm telling you, right, for the price that you're paying, you are going to be like fully satisfied with the display that you're getting on this new gen ThinkPad. Now coming to the speakers, you're getting built-in stereo speakers, each of 2 watts, totally up to like 4 watts of audio output, and yes, it does support Dolby Atmos EQ as well, guys. And overall audio performance, audio quality was very nice. It was producing like crisp, clear details. All the dialogues were like easily audible, and output was also nice, guys. You'll be like fully satisfied with both the display and audio performance on this laptop. I know you people are waiting for this part, right? How's the overall performance of this model, considering this is a special Aura edition laptop? First of all, let me tell you about the hardware configuration and specs of our variant. So as I've told you, guys, this new gen ThinkPad is actually based on Intel's Core Ultra Series 2 platform, and our particular variant features their Core Ultra 5 238V CPU, which is basically an 8-core 8-thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 4.7 GHz. On board, you're getting 4 P cores and 4 LPE cores. Concept of hyper-threading has been completely removed on the Series 2 platform, and I'm pretty sure you know about the whole architecture and everything, right? We've talked multiple number of times in our previous videos. Pair this with an integrated Intel Arc 130V GPU, and not to miss out, you're also getting an upgraded NPU, guys, Intel AI Boost, that can offer up to like 48 tops of AI performance on our particular variant. Now pair this with next gen memory and storage. You're getting 32 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM clocked at 8533 MT per second, that too in a dual channel configuration. But mind you, this less RAM is actually soldered on board, guys, so it is not upgradable. Better to choose the proper RAM model variant when you're buying only, guys. So definitely keep this point in mind. Talking about the storage, our particular variant features 2 TB of PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD. So in the storage section also, you're only getting like one slot available, which is already occupied by this SSD. So there's no spare slot to expand the storage. Anyways, keeping that aside, let's talk about the overall performance. I was running the laptop with variety of applications, like having a bunch of Edge tabs open in the background, browsing the web, running 1080p videos on YouTube, and simultaneously doing a bit of Photoshop. Nothing seemed to slow it down. Muska performance is what I can say. Plus, it was great for like office presentations as well, because you're getting like a full 180-degree hinge, right? Very useful even for like conferences and meetings as well. And not to miss out, main highlight is it's Intel vPro certified. Intel vPro platform offers a lot of benefits, which include enhanced security, improved performance, and also remote management of devices. You also get like multi-factor authentication, fingerprint support is also there, full disk encryption, and remote secure erase feature as well. So your data is like fully safe at all times on your laptop. If you look at the software side, like how you get Lenovo Vantage on the regular lineup of laptops, right? On this business laptop, you're getting something known as Lenovo Commercial Vantage. This is like an all-in-one hub and gives you complete control over your device settings or system updates, drivers and BIOS updates, and also warranty related information as well. And now coming to the operating system, ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 comes with Windows 11 Pro operating system out of the box, and you people already know about Windows 11, right? It offers like a very clean and modern UI with a revamped interface and lots of upgrades and improvements over the previous gen, plus ton of smart features as well. And especially if you're like a student, or maybe you're from AI background in your work, right? And you run a lot of AI models, generative AI related applications, or maybe LLMs on your device, that NPU can definitely come in handy for you people. Apart from that, Windows has also introduced a lot of new AI features specifically for the Copilot Plus PCs, like for example live captions, co-creator option, and not to miss out, studio effects as well. Copilot Plus PCs are like a new range of Windows PCs introduced recently in the market that are specifically designed for AI related workloads and applications. Also, remember at the beginning I've told you that Lenovo's Aura Edition PCs offer some exclusive experiences. Here you're getting something known as Smart Modes, Smart Share, and also Smart Care. Aura experiences basically use AI enhanced features to intelligently adapt to whatever you're doing, no matter the scenario. You can access these smart modes either via the Lenovo Vantage app or directly by clicking the F8 function key on the keyboard for a quick access to their widget. The first thing I have to talk about is the Shield feature, which uses AI enhanced computer vision technology and recommends action for digital protection. Say for example, you're working in a public place, maybe at a cafe or in a park. There are chances somebody might peep at your laptop screen without your notice right from behind you. In these sort of scenarios, all you need to do is enable this option called as privacy alert, and with the help of AI enhanced webcam, the laptop will immediately alert you if someone is actually looking at your screen over your shoulder. And in case if you're dealing with a bit more sensitive data, maybe like something on the embargo, then you can use this feature instead called as privacy guard. This will directly blur the screen instead of an alert, so the guy trying to peep into your laptop screen won't be able to see anything. That is pretty awesome, right? Let's move on to the second Aura feature called as attention. I'll be honest with you, these days it's pretty hard to concentrate on your work considering how many distractions there are, like social media apps, YouTube, games, and a lot more. In that case, simply use this feature called as attention timer. So you can set this for a certain period of time, and the laptop will make sure you won't get deviated from your work by suppressing unwanted disruptions, distractions, and silencing all your notifications. You can even make a domain block list in case required. The third feature is called as collaboration, which offers some AI enhanced audio and video effects for a much better communication. Great for business people, conferences, or especially if you have a lot of meetings. Lastly, you're also getting some power optimization and wellness integration as well. Includes both eye wellness and posture warning. So Lenovo is basically trying to help manage your wellness with the help of its AI enhanced camera. It gives you timely reminders to take a break from looking at the laptop screen, and even tells you to sit upright if your posture is poor. Lastly, in the power section, you've got 3 different power modes to choose from depending on your requirements and the scenario. Moving on, let me tell you about this interesting feature called a Smart Share, which is powered by Intel's Unison app. Offers instant tap and share between your mobile and laptop. Once paired, you can easily share all the data on your phone's gallery and instantly copy files to and fro. All of this wirelessly. You can see my phone is not connected to the laptop, yet I can easily access everything present over here in my phone's gallery. Makes things quite convenient, I would say. Lastly, not to miss out, Lenovo's Smart Care feature, which offers expertise support at your fingertips. Ease easily accessible from the Lenovo's Vantage app, offers the right support when you need it with real-time troubleshooting from their expert technicians. Here you can have a chat with their virtual assistant or even have like a live chat with their agent to get immediate help for all your PC related queries. Also, remember at the beginning I've told you that Lenovo has introduced some new AI features on this laptop. They're called as Lenovo AI Now and Learning Zone. Lenovo AI Now is like a personalized on-device AI companion that greatly enhances your computing experience. It's powered by on-device hybrid local models and combines your personal knowledge base to offer you a smarter, safer and personalized AI experience. And one more main highlight is Lenovo AI Now works securely offline, guys. Doesn't even require internet connection to access all of these features. So all your data is like fully safe and secure on the laptop. Here you get two core features, Knowledge Assistant and PC Assistant. Knowledge Assistant delivers personalized answers and content based on local knowledge base. You can do plenty of things like ask a question, smart search for documents on the drive, images as well, keywords or any sort of information in a file document as well. You can even ask it to summarize a document for you, do comparisons and much more. This feature can greatly boost your productivity and help with your day-to-day sort of works. Now coming to PC Assistant, this feature offers an intuitive and hassle-free PC management experience. Like for example, if you're unable to find a particular device setting on your PC, right? You don't need to worry about that. Or maybe if you're facing some sort of performance optimization issue, right? Simply ask the PC Assistant over here and get your solution on the go, just like this. Like how simple is that? We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery life. On board, the new gen ThinkPad comes with a 55 watt-hour battery, and battery life was actually pretty decent, I would say, a bit improved from the previous model. So on a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 50-55% and doing day-to-day sort of casual tasks, maybe like browsing the web, watching some videos on YouTube, and also doing office related applications like checking out your mails, text editing, a bit of photo editing, right? With these sort of tasks and applications, I was easily getting around like 7.5 to 8 hours of battery life. Good thing is laptop also supports rapid charging with a 65 watt Type-C adapter included, so you can easily charge your laptop up to 80% within just 1 hour, guys. So definitely tops up the battery quickly. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up our video on Lenovo's all new ThinkPad X9 14 inches Aura edition laptop. I hope you people got all the information you're looking for. I'll leave all the pricing details, product links, everything in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.